ATCH stock analysis and ATCH stock predictions. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's done 46,000 videos and has proof of everything. And when I say this, I truly mean it. It's taken me 5 years and it's all documented on my YouTube channel. Especially here, you know, I've seen what's working and what's not for me. Especially with ATCH, while the price is pumping, there's no doubts in my head. All I'm looking to do is just double down. I was hoping I see some sort of a correction, but the price just kind of kept doing its thing. It just went up 55%, which I like a lot. So how this is going to look like coming in on next week, I have my demand zones. I just hope I see some like 1-minute corrections and it makes sense to buy. But like me randomly pulling like the trigger in this, it's not going to be happening. I'll be very patient. You know, no rush. Rush is imaginary. So that's where I'm sitting at with ATCH. This is my confirmation here. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. So if you do want to stay tuned, want to get free sauce, click the first link in the description and I'll continue to keep you updated. Bye bye.